how to target USA audience on TikTok. So for that, you need few things. So the first one is you need to have a VPN. And second thing, obviously, your TikTok app. So you just need to install this app from your Play Store. Then if you go to your Play Store and search your VPN, what it will do is it will show you the app. So you just need to install it. After installing it, I have to open up this app. It will want you to log in first. So you just need to log into your account and then you can turn the VPN on to specific locations. You just need to change the location as United States of America. So after that, you just have to start posting your content and make sure nothing in your account has been linked to your country's region. So you just need to create a new account. If you have already linked with a lot of things and you need to start posting your content, then try to post your content in American style and try to post the content in English. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.